Tired of dull, dry hair that just won't bounce back? Hard water minerals can strip your hair of its natural softness and shine, leaving it lifeless and damaged. What if you could defend your hair against these harsh elements and instantly restore that silky, manageable feel? Imagine running your fingers through hair that's detoxified, hydrated, and glowing with health, without exposing yourself to sulfates, parabens, or gluten. I didn't believe it at first, but after living in a home with hard water for a year, my hair took a serious hit. It felt rough, dry, and lacked any sparkle. Then I tried this detoxifying treatment designed specifically to lift stubborn mineral deposits that cause discoloration and dryness. The very first wash made a huge difference. My hair felt smoother, softer, and more vibrant than it had in ages. I was honestly shocked by how quickly it worked, and that softness stayed with me every day after. What makes this product stand out is its ability to instantly detoxify while locking in moisture. It doesn't just clean your hair, it removes toxins and impurities that regular shampoos leave behind. Using it daily gently lifts out those hard water minerals, restoring your hair's natural shine and bounce. Plus, it's free from sulfates, parabens, and gluten, so you're treating your hair with care, not chemicals. If you've been battling dryness, dullness, or discoloration caused by hard water, this treatment is worth a look. It's simple to use, effective, and delivers visible results fast. Your hair will feel softer, look healthier, and regain that lively shine you've been missing. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the detox and moisture boost it deserves.